HR practices, recruitment process, and performance evaluation. Introduction. The Human Resources Department is in charge of recruiting the finest talent the firm requires to achieve the company's goals. The candidate search is accomplished through a rigorous recruitment process that starts with the initial position questionnaire or interview. Consequently, a job analysis is performed, followed by a job design and a performance appraisal. This paper demonstrates an overview of the recruitment process's fundamental principles, importance, and performance appraisal components. Definitions and the importance explanation. Pre-employment interviews are screening tools businesses use to identify applicants who closely match the characteristics they need in an employee. Williams states that employers save time and money by using surveys or questionnaires to identify top prospects from a broad pool of applications swiftly. As a result, the organization may fill a position in a shorter time while focusing on properly screening potential personnel. Companies may reduce turnover and increase productivity by selecting the most competent applicants. The resulting job analysis is critical in ensuring that the best applicant is selected. According to Darwin-Box, job analysis is a systematic method of gathering all information about a specific job, including qualifications required, roles, duties, and processes, to develop an accurate job description. The components of the job analysis include position, description, and job worth. This method also provides an overview of the physical, emotional, and associated human attributes necessary for a position. Employee performance may therefore be objectively assessed against the job performance criteria. Employees who work in well-designed jobs are effective, productive, motivated, and contented. Brougham-Chandler acknowledges that the process of determining what specific activities a person will perform within a work function and how the role will fit into the larger organization is known as job design. It also includes determining the job holder's tasks and responsibilities, how the work is done, and what resources and assistance the job holder requires. According to HRM research, job design is a way of attaining the organization's strategic goals. People who are involved with their roles and find their work satisfying have greater levels of job satisfaction. This statement not only indicates that employees are motivated but also that they are more likely to generate high-quality work. A systematic examination of a worker's job performance and overall contribution to the company is referred to as a performance appraisal. Guevara claims that performance appraisal is critical because it allows HR to understand how employees perceive the organization and identify business areas that require improvement. Another significant benefit of performance assessment is that it focuses on a company's bottom line. Employees and managers can use performance appraisals to refocus their duties, see how their work affects the firm, and match the company's goals and values with their jobs and standard processes. Engaged employees who construct their employment by enhancing job resources and decreasing hindrance demands are likely to perform better. Hence, managers should support work crafting by offering regular informal and formal individual feedback on both successful and problematic job crafting attempts. Consistency in the employee job performance. Each step is connected and vital to the next to maintain consistency in employee work performance. For instance, job analysis can assist in determining the type of employees needed to fulfill a particular responsibility. To conduct a successful job analysis, a company should first conduct an initial position interview to determine the essential needs for the effective execution of the occupation's tasks. Job analysis and design are inextricably linked since the latter depends on the former for accomplishment. Job design is the division of work-related responsibilities assigned to a team member and the specification of how a person implements them. As a result, by emphasizing critical criteria, the job design process is a foundation for the performance appraisal procedure. Appraisal system elements. An appraisal system aims to identify areas for improvement, reduce attrition, and increase an organization's productivity. The following elements are included in the performance appraisal: identified goals and objectives, ongoing feedback, flexibility, data-driven insights, benefits and incentives, self-evaluation, and performance improvement plan. Based on my evaluation, I consider all elements vital, but I highlight the importance of continuous feedback and rewards. For instance, Guan and Frenkel suggest that incentives and rewards must be included in performance appraisals because they boost employee performance. Guevara acknowledges that they pave the path for higher levels of employee motivation, efficiency, and a sense of belonging. Employee development and growth require detailed, regular, and proactive feedback. Moreover, research on behavioral change and the constant improvement necessary for delivering continuous feedback on goal progress. As a result, a performance appraisal process must guarantee that workers receive adequate feedback for them to understand their total contribution and influence on the firm. Conclusion. The first job interview establishes the foundation for an efficient selection approach. Work duties are determined via job analysis, and the framework for their execution is built through job design. Performance appraisal procedures guarantee that an employee's performance meets the defined requirements. An assessment system seeks to find areas for development, minimize attrition, and boost productivity in a business. As a result, HR should guarantee that all preceding stages are successfully conducted.